Exactly. But this is a free with you. We have already started. Free with you. We have already started. And we are very important. Because it is like today that you get to know who the contractor is. What are the stakes? And who are the people responsible for the different responsibilities, the different assignment in the facility. So I was thanking, because I'm told government in Uganda lobbied for funding from Global Fund. So directly, thank you. Thinking directly, thank the government of the Republic of Uganda for good governance. Because some of these globally funded facilities, unless you're good in good shape, for good governance. The other people don't give their money. So to me, it is the government in the government of the Republic of Uganda that it is complying with the international standards, democracy. That's why people who are keen and mad about democracy have given their money. So congratulations to His Excellency U.S. for demonstrating that kind of leadership skill. I know the minister sits in the cabinet is going to convey that message to him at an appropriate time. So without prolonging, I was thanking everybody and assuring them that everybody will do their part. Me as a district chairperson, I'll do my part under my leadership to make sure that this project is implemented, taking into consideration the technical specification, the drawing, everything, all the terms and conditions in the agreement, because for us we go by the rule of law. And in the project management, those terms and conditions, others are called general, others are called specific condition of contract, we are going to abide by them. To make sure that even in arbitration, even in resolving disputes, we go by the terms and conditions in the agreement, in the name of promoting the rule of law. Are we together? So, without spending more time, because the minister is going somewhere, even me, I want to thank everybody for coming. They are going to learn more about this project. And after that, I will become an expert. Never come on site. I have a lot of knowledge. Thank you so much. Secretary may guide us next item of agenda.
Let's appreciate the chair. We are giving Asante Sana. Okay. Asante Sana. Thank you.
Next on our agenda, we have communication from the House. The Honorable Minister, Chairman of the Secretary of Works and Technical Services, the head of Cabinet who are here, the leadership of the Town Council, the technical staff and the health facility, the contractor, and the team from the Ministry of Health. Good afternoon. Yeah. This afternoon to be here. This project for the handover. With me, I have documentation from letter from Ministry of Health to the Managing Director of Global Investments Limited, construction of the medicine store at Patongo Center. And this document is indicating that the government has already signed an MOU, a contract between Ministry of Health and the district. So today, the handover of the site is going to take place. Now, Honorable Minister, this project, according to the information we have, is a project under Global Fund as the funder of the project. I am going to ask ask the project engineer to give the details about this. And our expectation is that he will give us a picture of the project cost, the project scope, and the contract duration, because the statements are due. We also expect that, what do we expect is actually the bigger thing. What do we expect from this project? How small or big is it? And what is it supposed to comprise of in terms of service, giving services to this health center? My only hope is that this goes to the health center for team, that as we continue building on this health center for which we got elevated just last year, we need to have proper physical layout, because in the future we hope that this health center for is going to gradually possibly into a hospital. Our hope is that the administration of the hospital takes keen interest in developing a physical layout for hospital, so that the available land should have, as we receive more projects like this, should be placed strategically and structures that speak to the hospital arrangement. Otherwise, if we go planting these structures haphazardly, then we may not have a good layout of the hospital. That is my request, that you take it as the management of the hospital, that you do a physical plan layout of a future hospital, so that when you have such projects, we know where we're placing them. And also to the town council, that we give room, because I remember when during the elevation of the health center 3 to 4, it was communicated that there's still a lot of space. So that is the space I'm talking about. We should plan it well in terms of physical structures for the future. Otherwise, I now take this opportunity to hand over this letter to the LC5 chairperson. I'll also ask the engineers, as you give your communication, to hand over the plans that you are going to implement to the chairman, who will later on hand it over to the minister, who will officially flag it off.
Asante sana.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Carl. Next on our agenda, if you have communication from the boss down.
I thought we were inviting the minister of that team before the contract.
That is the chairman, the district leadership, the facility leadership, my colleagues, all protocol observed. We shall be quick. Again, I'm Canadian. As well as the National Facility of Promotion in the Ministry of Health. This, I'll only be giving a quick introduction. Then here we speak to the technical bit of what is and also Camila will speak to why the purpose of this project. So this project we are supporting it in facility across the country through the Ministry of Health. We had about 150. it in over in 26 facilities across the country. We had about over 150 facilities. It's now down to 26 facilities. I want to thank you leadership for lobbying. And making it a list of 26 across the country. We don't even have 26 districts in the country. So if you look at regions, really, there are 26 districts in the whole country. It's only this. So thank you for the lobbying that you bring to our management and the Minister of Health that helped this so having this motion, my ask is that you own this project, you already monitor it. You monitor this project. We move quickly because there are funds we are available for a short duration. And you are only given, you are only available after December. So that's why we're moving very, very fast to this project. So at the project, our anticipation is that it will take 6 months to give the details, but we're not going beyond December. We shall also play our part to make sure that we fast track the implementation of this project. And if there are any challenges, we are leaving our contacts that you quickly notify us as our leaders, but also as the people who are on ground, so that we also play our part in making sure that project is implemented in time. Having said those few words, thank
you, Dr. My role is basically simple.
Wait, you're going to do so much in technical. Let's have the purpose.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Daniel. Good afternoon. I've introduced myself, I think, but for you to know me better. And I was here and I think maybe Urunge or doctors here. And Anna Matidi, me at the here. Yes, but today I work with the Minister of Health with these colleagues of mine. Today we are here, like it has been mentioned, for a different purpose. And every day we are pouring on Patongo. We are poured into our hands. We are poured there are some equipment that have also been coming here.
Yes.
And to know for now, kita pion kere. Ngoma tingi, dan tingi. No uja mitekba. Kilo ya noya. Icha mo kene bidang with the So we have such opportunity like this one, where we can mobilize the resources with the global fund and others. Whatever we can do, I think another one we took from Acholi to launch another one. But like Dr. Daniel has mentioned, we have over 200 facilities in this country, and these ones where I would say, for lack of better word, we are the lucky few. And where I come from, the Department of Pharmacy, my role is in terms of making sure we have medicine in the country, and these medicines are properly kept in appropriate facilities. So then that gives us the responsibility to find such money so that we can invest it and make sure that when we come here, our medicines are well stored. I think our senior here talked about the master plan for the facility earlier. I think with that master plan, usually when there are upgrades of the facilities, you realize that they give you a facility. When you come to the store, they just point some small room and say, you put the medicine there. And it's not appropriate for keeping medicine. So in all our upgrades, we really, I'm not speaking for Patongo because what we are going to build for Patongo will be enough to take care of the level of the general hospital. In the 15 years, we have a store. But for other facilities, since the district leadership is here, for the other facilities that we shall be looking at upgrading, the master plan, when we are having upgrades of the facilities, we need to make sure that there is provision for medicine stores. We don't ask when it is finished. We ask when it is still a plan. That in this plan you're giving us, where do we put our medicine? Where's the laboratory? Where are all these facilities? So my work here today is to make one maybe today to be with us, of course, But also, I'm asking that you receive this project and receive it well, and support the contractor to meet the timeline. For me, I think my time would have been 3 months, but we've been given up to 6 months. At 6 months, we will talk about it. That is downgraded at the worst case. So we ask that you embrace this project properly. Issues of fighting for land, for ownership, and whatever. I think those are things that should not frustrate the project.
Yeah.
You identify for us a reliable place, good land, where we can actually put our proper store for it. It will be a very good place. It will be a very good store. And I ask that we embrace it, we take good care of it. I'll come back for other supervision. I know that sometimes I've not been here, but we'll send teams here to provide support and monitor medicine use, to check on availability of medicine distribution. And that's what I do every day in terms of access to medicine. I actually monitor your reports. I talk about the Patongo, who is the person, but the Patongo, I go and see you know, no one has called me from Batwa. I must say this very often that no one has called me from Batwa to ask about medicine. Maybe we are overstocked. We have a lot of medicine. Yes, so yes, so I want to stop here. I want to stop here. I introduce myself. Yeah, to your project anyway. Our team can and we can around. I think General Senate has been here just to see them and visit them and monitor them. But my colleagues there will also be going to other facilities to monitor this kind of arrangement. Otherwise, I put to 12.
Thank you so much. This medicine store, we had printed out activities that may be going to circulate around, but we are going to have more copies submitted. So copies we shall also send to the district, maybe for all stakeholders to have a copy. This store is basically 24 meters by 13.4. It's quite big. I remember when we reached out to the district to do the district engineer to request for land, because that was one of the conditions, that land should be unencumbered. And the car reply and communicating, you have to have sufficient land which is unencumbered, which is able to house medicine store. This medicine store is actually very big, as it has been put forward by Pamela, that it has quite a number of departments. One, we have a whole chain. We are not basically putting up just a whole. We just submit a whole for you to just find ways of making partitions inside. No, we already have designated spaces for a cold chain. We have a space for the bulk store, because you know when you get stock, sometimes you have to first put it on the bulk store before you take it to the stacked store. So we also have a stacked store that we've also provided for. We understand that the pharmacy department, of course, as the facility grows, let's say to a general hospital, of course you will have more staff in the pharmacy department. So we have provided for a full office for, of course, the lower cadres in the pharmacy department. Then we provided for a standalone office, of course, part of the structure for the head of department for the pharmacy, and a room for the secretary. So it has washrooms, waterborne washrooms, plus changing rooms. We have an empty shed which is going to be covered by burglar proofing, because we understand that sometimes when NMS delivers, sometimes it gets hard for you to take stock of every box that has come in. Then you can first keep them at the shed before you take them inside the bulk store. So we understand that the medicines are supposed to be kept under certain temperatures. So we provided for a roof heat insulation above the air sheets, and we have air conditioning system as part of the facility. Plus, we have fire detection system, as in case of a fire outbreak, at least you have an alarm system that can go off and detected, and then cameras basically for security purposes. So the district chairperson asked about the stakeholders for this project. Of course, one, the stakeholder is the health facility itself. We have the health unit management committee. we have the district leadership, and of course the political wing of the district. So all these play a very fundamental role through the district engineer, because he's going to help with the day-to-day supervision. We have catered for a clerk of works because the ministry cannot be on a daily basis, so we assign someone who is going to, who more or less call a resident engineer, that is going to be working hand in hand with the district engineer to help and support to see that we have this store already set up and following all the specifications as has been laid out. So the construction time has been set to 6 months. We know, of course, it might take about 4 to 5 months, but we have gone for the worst case scenario that in case anything just goes on for at least within 6 months, this facility should be up and running to, of course, start the services for the people to enjoy the medicine. So the project budget is 724 million. 724 415 861. 724 415 861. So that is the project budget for this facility here. It is quite an expensive investment, and we request for everyone's support to make it a reality. Thank you very much.
So that for work again.
Next slide. Next agenda is completion from the contractor.
All for observe. We can my name is Alur. Today, work with the Head Investments Limited. Without the ministry and the government, there is opportunity to actually establish this station as well. And we hope to work hand in hand with each and every one of you to ensure this project comes to success and has the involvement of everyone's interests held. Thank you.
Asante sana.
Next on our agenda, communication from the district union. Let's start the communication from the chairman.
Okay, by some coincidence, the chairperson of the meeting is also the chairperson of the meeting. So inadvertently, the chairman for the meeting communicated the ideas of the chairman of the district. They are one and the same. Okay, again, for purposes of not being together in the same board, this is the President District Commission for Down District, who is going to talk after the chairperson, and thereafter. Don't you have to do it for the district engineer? What do you have in the work?
I have a communication with the contractor. Next is from the district union. Chairperson included the mayor welcome the minister.
Don't change those things. You will commit diplomatic. So it is the RDC who will come the minister. That is why, if there is still need for the engineer to talk, then you talk before I come on board. The chairman of the district. There's no need. So mine is very brief. I'll give you one analogy, but let me allow the minister to finish the presentation. For the time being, okay. Yes, now you can introduce yourself when come as and also say, right?
Good evening, members. I would like to take this privilege to welcome everyone. We apologize for this coming late. For the matter of introduction, I'm called for market Joseph, the chairperson of this town. I moved a team from town council. I would also kindly request having introduced yourself. We have the town engineer.
Of course, James Memoy, the town clerk of this place.
be very brief like the way the contractor did. Remember, I was apologizing today in the day of commitment. We had visitors from Ministry of Trade. They have come for assessment to our matter. And Honorable Minister, we need to appreciate you. We appreciate the district at large for the kind of job that they are doing for us. So, for this meeting, now we are in the second one. So today we have received two different ministries. Now the Ministry of Trade and at the same time the Ministry of Finance. We need to appreciate the help of the country. Ours as the town council, I would like to make us contented that we are only fully behind. The other time when we were commissioning the maternity, we pledged ourselves that we are going to support the facility with the land of which we have already done it. The land that we have given, even for the future development, it will still be okay. So we are just waiting for the hospital status, because we have given something of 12 point something hectares of land. So we are now ready. Further that, we request the district, because we have a proposal chairman to in front of the facility, because when they are coming, a little bit the country will get lost from somewhere else. So we have proposed some road that will get in front of the health facility to cross the other one of Morocco Road. So we can expect that if maybe it be, will also help us with some mechanical plans so that we work on the road. But generally, I just want to welcome you all. You feel free in case of anything from the ministry. Please, we are always fully behind. The one that will need land, we are going to give land. The one that will need our presence, we are going to be there physically, like the way we are today here. So let me take this privilege to welcome the next speaker, that is going to be Lipa. I beg to stop. Thank you.
Yes, I already actually made my presentation, but for purposes of emphasis, when they were actually explaining what the medicine store is all about, and the emphasis was on making sure that the drugs are kept in appropriate conditions. For me, I'm a farmer. I did an analogy of post-harvest handling. Yeah? So I would equate the manufacturing of the drugs from the factory, like harvesting crops from the garden. You may bring your crops, your dinner, your what, if you don't keep them well, by the time you want to cook, they will be completely, the chemical formula will have changed because you are not keeping them in the right what? Condition. So I really agree, I concur with you that if you do not keep medicine in the right condition, the right temperature, the right spacing, they might become poison. So that is why this store is very, very important. It will help us to keep our drugs in the right condition so that even after some long period of time, they will still serve the purpose for which they are manufactured. Okay? So, as the district leader, I'm pledging total support and commitment to make sure that our part, we play it religiously to make sure that the implementation is done within the time period prescribed in the contract agreement. Otherwise, I really told them that all our personal and interpersonal relationship, as far as this project is concerned, is going by the terms and conditions in the agreement, isn't it? Yeah, because if we do that, the rule of law provides for that, the contractor will be happy, the beneficiary will be happy, government will also work, because experts sat and took a lot of time to bring those terms and conditions to regulate the implementation of this project. So with this, I thank everybody. I will come the contractor, I will come the ministry. I already requested you to inform the bosses how happy we are. Because when we are happy, if you tell them that we are very happy, they will laugh. They will also be very, very happy. Because they are doing it for us. So when the beneficiaries are very happy, how can the benefactor be annoyed? Is that it a paradox? There will be a paradox. So thank you so much. on RBC before I come here, let me introduce my minister. He's like a general rule minister, what is called general. This is my Katuma Bamala Baganda district. So let him also introduce himself because he's going to be very frequent on site and give unique report. So unless and until something is so sophisticated that requires my personal intervention, is the man on site. I found it.
Thank you so much. I will have a very, just an introductory part of the speech. I am Udong Richard Stanley. I'm a district councillor for Waterscope County. But in this particular setting of this meeting, I have been given mandate by the district chair to take over responsibility of heading as the line secretary for WAT and technical service. So my cardinal roles will be supervising the technical team. So as chairman stated, I'm well conversant with technical works and I've been supervising the constructions. So the constructor, you are very brief in your submission, but I expect a lot of knowledge I'll be getting from you, and the little knowledge I've been supervising, I will also going to check you in and out. Thank you so much.
So let me now invite RBC to say something, and then welcome the minister.
Thank you.
Let's appreciate the chair first. Asante sana.
Yeah, thank you, Chairman, Minister, the team from the ministry, our technical staff, the DHO, maybe Iyakao, maybe the chairman. Let me hope you have adopted to people to speak as short as the contractor. Adopted like that. I have to follow what has been adopted. But I would like to thank the visitors. I am happy that the reason that you are saying we are among the few that got this project is because of the leaders that know God. They pray. They pray to God and things happen. You see, when you know God, things happen. So those who are not saved here, you will not go out. I will first pray on you then. Come up with that minister here. And the chairman is a very good person. And that's why we support him. That's why people who are here, we need to support him. So that the Gabo this time must be different. Do you know we are among the district that has known it was of late that we are somehow in the status of what? A district hospital. We are just in the journey. And we are putting Patongo as a district hospital. So Adilan will be coming here. They also referred here also. So this is the headquarters. So Madam from Adilan, you are not wrong. This is your main hospital. So when you're working for the people of Adilan. And you're working for the people of Adilan, you're working for people of Agago. It is, you know, when you are going, women knows, when you are going for delivery, you have to carry a lot of things. Some are forgotten, some are brought on the way, some are, this is what we are trying to build this hospital. There are many things that we need to deliver this hospital well. We need a lot of things. And we are happy that the ministry personnel are behind us. They support us. So we'd like to thank you so much. The people that came here, and last time I met one of the doctors, he was taking this like his hospital. Let's mobilize equipment from all being where he was. Yes, Dr. Richard. Yes. So those we appreciate you. We appreciate you through prayer. We appreciate you with the Lord. So continue with the work. I know it is good that the contractor. It's good that you are brief. I know that you are not also brief on the ground. You scared me. You see, I came only twice for this building. And I met the contractor once on something very small. And immediately did not let you. Say, come after 1 week, we are going to change. And we did not come back here. We only came to the commission last time we came here. So I hope you will be the same. Not chasing, we are chasing one contractor. It's not making us to sleep. 6 schools. This is the engine of this district. We are following this guy, we are praying, we are seeing there's a collapse in that thing, that project. So let's work. This is your country. You don't know where the world will take you. You might take that you might construct something very, very useless, but something will get you on the way here and you're brought here. Like I was undermining the hospital. There was a small hospital I went and checked. I was undermining, but I found myself when I did not know I was in the hand of those people. When I opened my eyes later, I saw that hospital was I said, take me to the Chope very fast. I was taken to the Chope. And I thought, well, that is how things are. So let's work. That gives me a mandate to say, work properly where you are. Don't say this is not my home land, this is not where I come from, this is a money issue, this is business. Then at the end of the day, your track record also follow you. So it is good you are praying. It gives us monitoring now become easy. You say this will confuse us. I entered twice in the store. I cannot explain anything. Because things are mixed up here. So at least this one now, I know things will be organized. Now the park thing here, you don't know where you were, go out and is there. No, you did not see it is there. But it's not in this list. No, you. So now that thing will go away, doctor. We shall now come and go orderly. Because you have a space. There also will not take long because there's no even breathing space, so you rush cameras. So you don't monitor them well. So with this, I know people were speaking. Briefly, you are welcome. We shall work together. My office will work together. You know our manifesto. We are working on our manifesto as NRM. We adopt to the manifesto. In our language, that means we are now have to account to the people. So when you are coming now this time, you have to be very serious. This is a period that people are very, even community as well can have to see what have we done. So let's work together and deliver this country. The president is behind us. He's happy to see, to hear that we are doing well. That is what is concerned about. The new cadres, the new generation that you are thinking is taking over well. There are no thieves. There are people who work together. So thank you very much. Let me invite the minister. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the President District Commissioner, the District Local Government, the District Chairperson, and the members of DEC who are here, COW and all the technical team, officials from Ministry of Health, the LC3, the Patongo Town Council and North Council members, all the local leaders around, ladies and gentlemen, good evening everybody. Today we are so blessed as a Gabo district because where we've been handing over site to a contractor. The contractor is going to construct the road from Omot sub-county going to Baruli State Lodge, worth 1.250 billion shillings. Before we came here, team from Ministry of Trade, they also came to assess the status of our Oliga market, see what they can do. Because I had a discussion with them 3 weeks ago, and they promised me they would come and assess Oliga market, Kalawa market, and then there's a market in Uganda to balance the three counties. And we are privileged that they have come to Lega today. Now we are yet here for another milestone. What a blessing today. We are going to remember 18th of February as a Gago for the great work that NRM government is doing in our district. We really want to thank His Excellency, General Yoweri Museveni, for thinking about the people of Gago. Because what we want is service delivery, and this is what he is doing for us. We really thank him so much. I also want to thank Ministry of Health. I am happy that these days we really have committed cadres in Ministry of Health. And they are more than willing still to do serious service delivery to our people. My name is Beatrice Akori. I'm the Woman MP of Bagabo and also the Minister of State for Economic Monitoring in the Office of the President. I am here to welcome you to Bagabo District as a leader here. Then also, officially today, we are going to hand over the site to the contractor. I believe in people who speak less because they do a lot of work. Let me hope a contractor is not for a quarter second. Because if I try to add government programs in other districts, why not in my district? On what you're doing, and I think you'll do a good work. The main thing here, the duration, by the end of December, we have a very beautiful store. Everybody will be saying, "Seven, oh yeah." Then for us, we follow him. We also follow him. I am not going to say a lot. Very many more will still come. Last time, Mr. Richard promised us also another health center for. I think team from the Ministry of Health will go back and remind him we are expecting health center for him. This is one health center for in Patongo, and we pray because he also promised us that we'll be upgraded very fast to that standard, and we see he's keeping his word. So. The next one is Banyoro Health Center 4. It's also due for upgrade. Then afterwards, we also have Banyoro Health Center 4 for upgrade. So since you are the daughter of the slave, now you are secretary. Your minister from Agano is saying it is taken care of, but we as government at national level we are following NRM manifesto. It's a policy that we have at the constituency level. So that's why I'm mentioning Banyoro because that is a government county. Then Banyoro, that is another county. So that in Agabo we have all counties with health center for fulfilling the NRM manifesto. Yeah, that is what we are striving for. I am so grateful that all the stakeholders who are here, they will be closely monitoring the work of the contractor. So that after the work, we are not going to say, hey, there's already work done here. Today, I believe before it came, they read for you the specifications. What will be done with this 700 and, is it 24 million? Yes. 724 million. The specifications should be read for all of you so that you know what is going to take place here. And that's why the president came up with this directive that before contractor begins the work, official launch should take place. Why? Because the beneficiaries should know what will be done for them, to give them power to monitor government interventions in their area. So that is the purpose. I believe the engineers have read those mathematical words for them, what this one here is like this one here like this, so that you are heavily informed and it will help you in monitoring. I say all this before I close and officially launch the construction of our drugstore. Let me hope you people we will not again shift the goalpost. We want to see the ambulance also here. Our people are waiting. Because right now when we get emergency, for us we have the funny pickup, right? The funny pickup that is helping people here. Because here we only have one ambulance. I can say a quarter ambulance, I don't know whether it does not reach the standard of an ambulance. And also the other one comes with a fuel can. There are patients who cannot afford to get fuel, and when they're in critical condition, that ambulance comes with a fuel can, which will really help our people of Baganda. So you also remind them that we are here and waiting. We are on countdown today, is the very 18th of February. I believe by 28th our ambulance will be here. I said all this for God and my country. I officially now declare the construction of our drugstore officially launched.